Do you want to make Reels public on Facebook? You can post public Reels in Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a Reel public on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the Reels icon or select Create Reel from the Reels section on your feed. Now, record a new Reel or upload a video from your gallery. After recording or selecting your video, you can add music, text, effects, or stickers to make your Reel more engaging. Once editing is done, tap Next again to move to the sharing screen. On this screen, look for the Who Can See This Reel option. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, select Public so that anyone on Facebook can view your Reel. After selecting Public, tap the Done button. Now you can add your caption, hashtags, or location if you want. Finally, tap the Share Now button to publish your video.